So we're out here in the park and we're going to change the battery on this Hyundai key fob. Now this is the key fob to my first generation Hyundai Ioniq. It was used in a lot of different Hyundai models from around that period as well. So this is a very simple battery replacement job. You don't need any special equipment. All you need is a new CR2032 battery. So first thing we do is we press this little button here on the bottom right corner. That removes the emergency key. And then now, if I focus it correctly, you'll see there's a big little island here, a big plastic island here, a smaller plastic island here on near the back plate. You want to insert this key into the valley between those two plastic islands. So you put it in there like that. And you just kind of turn it like you would do as if you're opening a door. And you hear a little snap sound, and that should be enough to open it up. But if it's not, you insert it again and you twist a little more. There we go. That's a slightly bigger snap. You don't need to apply too much energy to it. Now, the trick here is to remove the back plate. So you have it facing down with the buttons facing down towards your table, and you lift the back plate off. Because if you lift the back plate off, you kind of wedge your finger in there, you can see the green of the circuit board. So you want the circuit board facing down because it's got lots of rubber and plastic, and if you open it with the buttons facing up, these things will fall out and you have to reinsert them and get them lined up. If you do it this way, you don't need to fuss about that, and it exposes the back of the circuit board and the battery is held in there like so. You can just use your emergency key to kind of just force it out like that, and there you go. That's the battery. That's kind of died on my one. Maybe need a little bit of an extra gentle shove there. You hold the battery down, you hold the circuit board down, and you'll be able to remove the battery pretty quickly. So there you go, it's a CR2032. And then I get my new one, and then we just slide it in like so. Before you close that up, what you need to do is make sure the circuit board is sitting flush in its little holder space, because if it's lifted out a little bit just like it was just then, it's going to be hard to close. And you get the back plate, and then you see the button here. Just make sure you line that up with the hole over there. And if the circuit board is in the right place, you should be able to just, if you press down on one side, you press down on the other side, another corner, it should just close up. There you go. Press it on all the corners. Make sure it's nice and tight. And there you go. Your battery has been replaced. The buttons are in the right place. The circuit board's in the right place. And all you need to do now is put the emergency key in, and then take your key to the car and make sure that the new battery works as it should. So there you have it. That's how you change the battery on this type of Hyundai key fob. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another video. Thanks and bye.